The PP70 pellet stove is a powerful stove in a compact design. This stove produces enough heat to warm an area up to 2,000 square feet. Plus, it's EPA certified for clean burning performance. A single dial and built-in thermostat gives you control of the heat output. Automatic ignition and 3 burn modes add ease to staying warm. Equipped with a powerful circulating blower and a 70-pound hopper, the freestanding PP70 delivers extended performance for up to 2 days of continuous burn. For reliable, efficient, and affordable heating, turn to the PP70 pellet stove. If there's ever a question on your PP70 stove, you've got resources like online use and care videos, a website full of information, and phone support. Visit your local retailer or PelProstoves.com to learn more.